This is a 1989 Harley Davidson Lowrider Custom FXLR. It's a running bike, needs a bit of tidying up, but it's all there. I've had it running, brakes work on it, gears select, battery's flat, hence the jump start. Gear lever is missing, so it's had a mole grip conversion. 30,250 miles on the clock. Let's get it started up. Oh, the other thing is, it hasn't got a key, but luckily a screwdriver worked, so that's what it's getting. The lights come on now. That is running a bit cold. I've only just started it a couple of minutes before the video. I ran it for a few seconds, so it is a bit cold. Yeah, nice bike.